Anyways, the name is still the king himself on the MIC KingSmith, but you have to do is sip onto a called Coca-Cola. Naye I want to shout out to the every people. No, nabachali bangabali wano now Benj Arts, DJ Pet Pro, Side ninayo Joey, Joel, ninayo Tony, ninayo Kim GK, a lot of the crew. Jemta sawa kulawa Batman, Chronicles of Entertainment. Back to business. Katubikuleko antulabe who is next on our list. Now, in the Chronicles of Entertainment, it was written that there will be scientific politicians. Katudao. Now, ladies and gentlemen, talking about politics. I'm so happy that I was surprised yesterday when I was going through my social medias, that is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. When I found this photo, someone called Mr. Byamukama running for president. What the hell? What is going on? Damn, this is so cool. This is so awesome. Now, ladies and gentlemen, talking about artists that are joining the political scene. Tuinayo mwana mlenzi Victor Kamenyo, tuinayo mwana mlenzi wanyidu Khalifah Aganaga, Walukaga, Geoffrey Lutaya, Chameleon, Bobby Wine, a lot of them artists are going to joining politics. But trust me, before I show you this poster, obenga sinabala kachifana nchine chono omwami Wemvi, ate is one of those gospel artists. Abevudeyo public agenda joining the run for presidents. Next, playing like a video when the three guys have joined hands again. I'm studio bakolo luyimba because then we genda kubera scientific, we genda kubera social media run, muresen ya politics. Okwado mukulu Walukaga, Victor Kamenyo, ne mwana mlenzi amanyidwa nga Khalifah Aganaga. Abasatu bano simanyi babala, but all of them bali kusaidia eri ya opposition. Walukaga ajja kusaidia people power, Victor Kamenyo yagambe na ajja kusaidia atanda sala deep in people power. Then Khalifah Aganaga, Tanasara, but don't forget my official photographer wamwita Don Scenic over Scenic Media. Yabiranga nko bifana byakayura ku social media zange ezenja ulawo na ku Facebook, Twitter ne ku Instagram. Searching kwa mwita Don Scenic over Scenic Media. Ojako mufuna. But let me play you this video. Otegera abakulu bano chiche babala. Then na surprise artist, gospel artist. Kano katandika butandisi, ladies and oh God, Chronicles of Entertainment munsonyiwe naye Walukaga ino obuzina bwazinyema unamfananira bana badde bakuba obutamu n'emirawo. I just love my life. I love my show. Labo obuzina kona ngakona Victor Kamenyo laba. Gwe laba. Ulira this. Kadonka mu mix hip hop mu raga dancehall. Pose Khalifah yimba maina yabuzabuza akuba hip hop raga dancehall akuba ki anyway aba basatu they met omu yasomoka Lwera Victor Kamenyo ne Victor Kamenyo baba muzaala Victor Kamenyo okuva omukyala we yakuddukako simanyi gye bakuzaala kuba alina omukyala omunyarwanda n'otugamba Khalifah Aganaga ensonga ze ziri awo ye muyimbi avaako n'akomawo n'akuba hit n'avaako n'akomawo n'akuba hit so kamba somerayo ko ekyawandiikibwa mu Chronicles of Entertainment kyawandikibwa ne kiraga muno abasatu bano tebagenda kusobola kubanga bakola scientific politics n'olw'ensonga eyo kambalagayo omuntu omwana asobola okukola scientific politics omukulu ono is one of the gospel artists bamwita Byamukama era njagala bampeka akafaananyi kaawo nakalabye ku Facebook kati omukulu oyo amanyiddwa nga Byamukama HK running for presidents ayina ennyimba nnya ze mmanyi eza gospel ayina twende embeere ayina akapya akatrendinga ngenda mbaleetera Chronicles of Entertainment ebyafaayo bye mu entertainment omukulu gwe yakasooka okukola naye video bamuyita omukulu amanyiddwa yamubba Bobi Wine naye kale tomorrow on the round table oba entertainment round desk ngenda kuba nzija mbaleetere but anyways putting all the scientific politics aside